Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be opening the 4th day of the advent calendar. I almost missed it, so it's next day in 30 minutes, which I usually immediately get it. I don't know, I've been really off lately, so I'm so sorry, but let's claim and see what we get today. Okay, bat attack speed or luck. I think I'm just going to choose luck because I don't really use my bat to for Brainrot evasions. But let's just choose this one, and this is what the ornament looks like. Super cute. These are everything that I have so far. There's only been 4: grape, 6, 7, dragon fruit, and the egg. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!